Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 44. So we have this diagram here which illustrates a fishing tool, and we have to use it to answer questions 43 and 44. So which of the labeled parts enables the tool to float on water when fish is caught? Option A is 4, B 3, C 2, 1 is D. Okay, so the parts of this setup: number 1 is the hook, number 2 is the float, 3 is the line, and 4 is the handle or the rod. Okay, so float, this is float. So as the name implies, the part that enables the tool to float on water when fish is caught is the float. So okay, the float, the name gives it away. So number 2, the float, is that part of the setup or the tool which enables it to float on water when fish is caught. So 2 is option C, and that is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.